Yo, 𝐂𝐨𝐽𝐜 dealer over here, and this right here is Audi TT Coupe, one and only unit across 6 years. Super low mileage and condition is just so fantastic. You gotta see it to believe it. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. Audi TT is absolutely one of my favorite cars of all time, especially the last generation MK3. Absolutely stunning design. I'm so in love with it, and I was very sad when they stopped production in 2023. This car is especially sexy. It comes with very nice SSR original rims and Brembo big brake kit. Just look at the side silhouette of this car. This is simply perfection. Just wow. From every angle, this car is so beautiful, so sleek, so sporty, so perfect. Behind you have dual exhaust exit, and surprisingly, it's got quite a practical boot space. Have a look. It is very wide, you can fit a lot of things inside, and the rear benches can fold flat for you to transport even more barang. And now, let's go in. Alright, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. The cabin of this car is just perfection. Look at this, flat bottom steering wheel, multifunctional with pedal shifter. So beautiful, so sporty, so nice to hold. This is your speedometer cluster with inbuilt infotainment system. Audi were the first one to do it in a TT, and even your reverse camera is inside here. How cool is this? You don't need to take your eyes off the road because your infotainment is here. This panel is super clean. Look at the aircon controls. The display is actually inbuilt here. How cool is this? So innovative. And I really love how the whole instrument cluster here is turned towards the driver. Here's your start stop button, very beautiful leather on your gear selector. Your controls for your infotainment are here, electric parking brake, and even auto hold function. And sport car with a cup holder, also very useful. Here is comfortable to put your elbow. Behind we have rear seats. Unlike the Roadster version, which is a 2-seater, this car is 2+2. And also black color roof lining. So beautiful, so sporty. Just wow. I'm so in love with this car. Alright guys, wow, just wow. I absolutely love this car. The condition is unbelievable. I took it for a drive just now and I'm so in love. On COE we still got 5 years, 4 months left. Depreciation only 24,000 plus. It is probably one of your last opportunities to get a puff Audi TT that's got quite a lot of years left because they stopped production in 2023. I don't know why, I'm sad, but it is what it is. So, if you want to have a look at this unit, you all know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.